Hello everyone, I am Atif and welcome to my channel. As I am assuming that everyone are very interested to learn our language, so before going to start our language, we have need to download the RStudio because without downloading the RStudio, we cannot understand what is our language and we cannot learn our language. So first we need to download the RStudio. Each and everything we will discuss about RStudio in this video. Just follow me. I have guided you step by step. So if anybody have any doubt, comment below. I will answer to you in the comment box. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And let's come on a laptop screen. Hello everyone, I am Atif and hope you are doing well. Now today we are going to start to learn our language. So before going to start to learn our language, first we have need to download the RStudio. And before going to download the RStudio, first we will see the today's topic on which we will discuss today. So this is our today's topic. The first topic is what is programming language. Second topic is uses and benefit of our language. And the third topic is how to download and install RStudio. So guys, without going delay, let's come on the topic. What is programming language? Programming language is a set of instructions that your developers use to create a software which users can in turn deploy to interact with a computer. प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज जो होता है वो एक इंस्ट्रक्शन का सेट होता है जो डेवलपर की तरफ से इस्तेमाल किया जाता है एक सॉफ्टवेयर को क्रिएट करने के लिए जिससे कि यूजर्स कंप्यूटर के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इन अदर वर्ड आई कैन से दैट अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज इज अ सेट ऑफ रूल्स फॉर कम्युनिकेटिंग विद कंप्यूटर. और दूसरी लैंग्वेज में अगर हम लोग आसान लैंग्वेज में बात करें तो इसको हम लोग सिंपल कह सकते हैं कि प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज एक सेट ऑफ रूल होता है कंप्यूटर के साथ कम्युनिकेट करने का. सो मूव ऑन अ सेकंड टॉपिक, यूजेस एंड बेनिफिट्स ऑफ आर लैंग्वेज. R is not only used in IT organization but also in small and big enterprises for their business intelligence. R लैंग्वेज को सिर्फ IT ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में ही इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता है बल्कि इसको स्मॉल और बिग इंटरप्राइजेस यूज़ करते हैं फॉर देयर बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस के लिए. मोस्टली आर लैंग्वेज यूज़ जो करते हैं वो कंपनीज बड़े बड़े होते हैं. गूगल हो गया, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हो गया, TCS हो गया, ऐसे और भी बहुत सारी कंपनी है जो आर लैंग्वेज को यूज़ करते हैं. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन बेनिफिट्स ऑफ आर लैंग्वेज. R is used for statistical analysis and data visualizations. Are mostly used by business analysts, data analysts and data scientists. R जो मोस्टली यूज़ किया जाता है वो स्टैटिस्टिकल एनालिसिस और डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन के लिए मोस्टली यूज़ किया जाता है. और R को जो यूज़ करते हैं वो बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, डेटा एनालिस्ट और डेटा साइंटिस्ट के द्वारा ज़्यादा इस लैंग्वेज को यूज़ किया जाता है. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन थर्ड टॉपिक, how to download and install RStudio. So we are already in a Chrome browser. We will search here R programming download and enter here. And then click on the first link. And then click here download R431 for Windows. And here you can see on our left side download is started. So because I have already downloaded, so I'm going to cancel it. And you guys as download this, you can check in a download section. Click here this PC. And click on a download. And here is downloaded. So double click here for installation. This is for our programming language. Click OK. Click on next. Click on next. Then again click on next. Then again click on next, and then next, again next, and started installation. It is taking time a little. It may take 2 minutes more. As installation completed, click on a finish, and it's okay. So again come on a browser. Here we will open a new tab. And we will search here RStudio download. Click here. And click here RStudio desktop. Yeah. We go down and click here download Studio desktop for Windows. Here you can see left side downloaded started. So I have already downloaded, so I'm going to cancel here. And again come on a download section. This PC. Click on download. And here it is downloaded. So click here for installation RStudio. So click on a next. Again next. And click on install. Installation started for RStudio. It will take time, so I'm skipping that. And finally click on a finish and come back. Press window key. And here you can see RStudio downloaded. Click here and drag from here.